Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce our network amplifier. Our network amplifier makes it possible to convert your existing analog solution to a network solution. Or build your new project and start with a network amplifier with our analog speakers. Both will give you more flexibility and a lot more functionality, as I will introduce today. This is our network amplifier, which belongs to the network audio series. It copies all the basic functions of the analog amplifier, such as multiple audio inputs, independent audio adjustment, but also provides more powerful network functions such as live broadcast and scheduled broadcast. It supports alarm linkage from the alarm input, Hikvision Professional, which can play in audio or in text-to-speech file. How to set this up I will demonstrate later, so let's start by showing a short video how to connect all the hardware together and what you will need for this. And inside of the broadcast settings, the first step actually that you need to do is that you can batch import your audio files. Here we can set up our scheduled broadcast. And we can choose between an audio file or a speech file.
Please leave this area.
For the alarm linkage functionality, we go to the alarm configuration. The next thing I need to do is to go to the alarm linkage.
Please leave this area now.
In this short video, we have demonstrated how to set up the hardware and how to configure a scheduled broadcast and alarm linkage. Please find out more information on our website and future videos. We hope you like this video and have a better understanding of this amazing product. Thank you for watching.